the strength of a woman. Ain't nobody better than a boss chick. All the ladies with
Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another hair tutorial. I'm going to be silk pressing my natural hair for the first time. Never done it. I was going to go to someone to do it, but then I figured, hey, why not make this a project and do it myself at home? So we're going to do this together. Hopefully it works out. If it doesn't, you're not going to see this video. So let's begin. So I already washed my hair. Because I'm going to be using heat, I would like to prep my hair really well. So I'm going to blow dry. I'm going to put my heat protectant. I'm not going to put as much product in my hair because I don't want it to be sizzling while I'm straightening it. So I will apply all my products after. The only thing I will apply prior to is my heat protectant. And the heat protectant I'm using is the Chi, very popular Chi heat protectant. It was just the Barbie collection. I just liked how the bottle was pink, but it's just the regular Chi. Damn, you can't see it. It's just the regular Chi heat protectant that most people use. To make it easier, I'm just gonna separate my hair into 4 sections. Blow drying my hair. It's stretched out a bit. I'm gonna be using my ceramic straightener from PYT. It goes up to 450, but I'm not gonna go up that high since I am doing this on my natural hair. I'll probably keep it around 375, around there, 380. You can adjust it accordingly to your hair thickness. So I'm just waiting for this to heat up, and then I'm gonna start sectioning off my hair and begin the straightening process. I know I do have some dead ends I need to trim, so once I straighten it, then I will go back in and do a little chop. Completely straightened for the most part, so I'm just gonna do some trims, and then when I'm done trimming, I'm gonna bump the ends just to give it some volume. Better than before. Wow, I'm so shocked at how my hair looks. I haven't even bumped it yet. Okay, let me finish it. I'm just so fascinated by what I'm seeing right now. I was not expecting it to look this good already. A lot of people don't know how to curl with a straightener. Let me show you real quick. Just might as well. Let me take a piece. I'll take this piece. So, take the straightener, we're curling away from our faces. So you take it and immediately you twist it in the direction you want the curl to go. And then make sure the other piece of the hair is hanging at the bottom. And then you twist one more time. And then you just pull and let the hair glide down. And then voila, you got a spiral. The curls are done. I'm just gonna take some oil. I'm just using Moroccan Sleek oil from Garnier Fructis. You can use whatever oil you want. And then I'm gonna comb out the curls. Just put one hand inside, then use your hand to comb it on top of the other hand, and then you'll get that ba-ba-boom. Oh, I really love this. Who knew my hair could do this? Honestly, I see people get silk presses done all the time and I'm like, oh, I wish my hair can do that. Now I know it can. I'm just gonna slick my edges and then like we're done. And I'm loving this bob. Wow, this is so pretty. So this is the finished look. I am highly impressed. I am highly impressed. No, I really like this. I'm not gonna do it too often because I don't like using heat in my hair. But once in a while, this is really nice. If you don't, you just want to do something natural, this is a great look. This is a great look. So yeah, this is the result of the silk press. Here's the end of today's video. If you like this look, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Now to him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we ask or imagine, according to his power that is at work within us. Ephesians chapter 3 verses 20.